How to convert Canva PDF to CDR file. Alright, so first of all, just open your Canva design. Go on top right corner, click on share, and here click on download. Now under file type, click on PNG and make sure you have selected PDF. Now after that, click on download. Okay, wait for a few moments. Now my download is completed. Open a new tab on your browser and here type PDF to CDR converter. Now press enter. Go on the first website, the onlineconverter.com. You can also go on ASAN convert. So I'm gonna go on the first website. Alright, now here upload your PDF like this. You can just drag and drop the PDF from your download section, or you can just select the PDF from your folder. Alright, after that click on convert. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, your CDR file is good to go. As you can see, okay, the page is multiple here, that's why it is showing in zip form. As you can see, this one is a original CDR file. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.